Hi, Dean here. Getting you guys started on your next module in the training program. This module is going to be on the HydroCell water enhancer product. This little bottle makes up to 30 gallons of highly ionic alkalized water that's charged with energizing electrolytes and cell cleaning and detoxifying ionic minerals. So basically the training today is going to be on the importance of minerals, electrolytes, and water, and how this incredible product can increase your production of adenosine triphosphate or ATP, increase circulating oxygen levels in your body so you have better muscular endurance recovery, reduce inflammation, and how these minerals play a vital role in almost every single bodily function that we have. So staying hydrated and getting hydrated is probably one of the most important things you need to do upon waking, or throughout the day, and especially after your workout. Your body actually requires half of its body weight in ounces. So you weigh 120 pounds, that means you require 60 ounces of water a day. That does not include any juices or any other liquids or water that you get from foods or any other products. It's just strictly water on its own. So staying hydrated is very important, but also a part of water, or H2O, is oxygen, and oxygen is required or involved in every reaction or bodily reaction that we have in our body. And also hydrogen, the other portion of water, is an important chemical structure or constituent or chemical that's actually involved, or mineral that's involved in allowing our bodies to stay properly hydrated and cells to stay properly hydrated. In addition to the main components, or those two components of water, many of your bodily tissues are made of water. Your body's over 70 to 80% comprised of water. The majority of your brain is also comprised of water, and your brain essentially regulates all of your bodily functions and tissues and movements as well. So that is also primarily made of water. And water, what it does is effectively draws its many nutrients and chemical structures into the cells so that the cells may function properly. And that is going to lead to your body functioning properly, and all your body systems and functionings maintaining their proper function. And to give you an idea of how a depletion of water can affect you, even a 1% state of dehydration can cause at least a 10 to 15% decrease in muscle output or performance. So it can really hamper your performance. Just a 1% state of dehydration causes a 10 to 15% decrease in performance. Dehydration can also affect your flexibility, your range of motion, and even if you're just lacking one of the 70 trace minerals in your body, it can really lead to mental and physical well-being. Many people are familiar with what calcium does for bone and teeth structure. On the other hand, you have something called manganese. Manganese plays also a critical role in that. And again, many of the people are not aware of this trace mineral, and are also not aware that they're actually deficient in that trace mineral as well. Also, our atmosphere has become depleted in its oxygen content, therefore not allowing our bodies to have the same amount of circulating oxygen within them, and that oxygen also not being provided to the cells so they don't function properly, and of course that causing a domino effect in all of our body tissues and of course our health. But oxygen depletion in our atmosphere has been caused by deforestation. It's actually been proven that there's less circulating oxygen in our air than there was 50, 60 years ago as well. And like I mentioned before, oxygen is used in every single bodily function. To give you an idea of oxygen's importance, you can live a matter of weeks without food. You can live a matter of up to 10 days without water, but you can only live a matter of minutes without oxygen. So again, it's extremely, extremely important for your well-being and all your bodily functions. And the issue is oxygen depletion can be coupled with hydrogen depletion or water depletion as well, and that just really affects the functions of the cells. And it doesn't allow the cells to become energized. And when the cells become energized with electrolytes and minerals, they're able to essentially rebuild themselves and regenerate and become active again. In addition to our atmospheres, our soils are becoming foul with fertilizers, pesticides, radioactive runoff, and other toxic byproducts that are getting into our soils. And they're really affecting the integrity and the structures of our soils. They're not affecting, they're affecting the nutrient profile of the soil. And what that's doing is actually leading to the effects of, or damaging the effects or the nutrient profiles of the foods that are harvested in these soils. So many of the same fruits, vegetables, plants don't have the same nutrient profiles. Now their macronutrient profiles are the same: fats, carbs, sugars, protein. It's still the same, but what's happening with the adjustment that we're seeing, and it's a drastic adjustment, and a drastic decline, is the micronutrient profile, the phytochemicals, the minerals, the vitamins, all these things that are really just the elemental keys of life and life givers. Our soils are being drastically ridden of these key minerals. And since that micronutrient profile is changing in the plants, a U.S. Senate study has revealed that over 99% of the population is actually mineral deficient. 99% of the population is mineral deficient. And they've also shown that within the last 40 years, the quality of the amount of minerals and vitamins in our plants have been drastically changed and altered and reduced by up to 60%. So within the last 40 years, we've seen a 60% decline in the amount of biological or bioavailable minerals, electrolytes, and vitamins in our products. Many of the fruits and vegetables only carry 10 to 12 of these trace minerals. We have over 70 of them in our body that we need to, use and utilize to maintain proper bodily functions and stay healthy. Now, the problem is not just localized. The lack of minerals and electrolytes and healthy structures or healthy micronutrients is not just being localized to plant matter. It's actually being transitioned on to the animals who consume that plant matter, animals who graze in the grass and who eat these feeds as well and these other plants. Now it's getting into the cows, the chickens, the pigs, all these other animals that we've been consuming for meat byproducts, and they no longer have the same nutrient profile. I think we've seen that with beef and chicken and their omega-3 content in them. There's been a drastic decline in omega-3 content, and that's again due to the quality of the nutrients and the micronutrients they're getting out of the soil by way of the grass and other foliage and plant matter that they're consuming on a daily basis. So our water is also, another element is our water has also become toxic. It's filled with lead, mercury, heavy metals, fluoride that gets in there from toothpaste, and other things that are used to clean the water and kill off bacteria that's also found in our water systems. And these are heavy metals, they're toxic chemicals, and basically what they do is they make almost a sludge inside the cell, and they inhibit the cell's function and eventually cause the cell to die off. So cells don't function the same way, they die off, they break down, or they become more sluggish due to these carcinogens, heavy metal, toxic pollutants, and byproducts that are found in our water. So HydroCell, how does HydroCell solve all these problems? How does HydroCell turn an ordinary glass of water into raw spring water again within a matter of moments? And how does it do it without adjusting the taste of the flavor of the product? Well, basically, I'll give you a breakdown of what HydroCell is. HydroCell is over 74 ionically and colloidal trace minerals. Basically, what that means is these are small trace minerals. All the minerals that are found in elemental chemistry, all the minerals that are found in your body make up all the various structures and things that we see here in life, from plant matter to human beings. These minerals play a major role in all the developing all the structures of those organisms. Now there's 74, like I said, colloidal ionic minerals. Colloidal minerals are small minerals, meaning small particles, meaning they are able to be absorbed into the cells very, very efficiently. That's a lot different than the minerals you get from salt water products. Those minerals are much larger in structure and do not get absorbed by the cell and are mainly excreted out through sweat or through urine, so you don't absorb them. These you absorb. They're not only they're ionic, meaning that they carry a negative charge. So that what that means is they take toxic radioactive byproducts, fertilizers, heavy metals, draw them out of your cells and allow them to be passed out through channels of sweat and through urine. So this allows you to detox your body from those toxic waters, fertilizers, chemicals, radioactive byproducts, and other things as well that are slowing down and hampering your body functions, and you might not even know that this is happening. And if you've been eating processed foods, you've got toxic byproducts in you, and you need to be taking this product to really help you as you expel those harmful byproducts out of your cells. There's also all the known electrolytes in this product, which allows the cells to become energized and electrolyzed. It allows them to function much more efficiently, accept things and push things out at a much more efficient manner. This also has 21 amino acids in it. There's over 15 reaction speeding enzymes. Enzymes can speed up reactions in your body up to 1,000,000 times. So enzymes are crucial. This product is not heated. Whenever you heat a product, you kill off the enzymes. If you take it above 118 degrees, it kills off all the living enzymes because they're living organisms. This actually has all living enzymes in it because it's not been heated. It's been in a cold process. So we ensure that all the enzymes are biologically active and able there to catalyze or speed up any reactions in your body. It's got 10 different B vitamins in this product as well. And then there's 4 unique polysaccharides. And these polysaccharides have almost an anti-fatigue factor to them. They also play a major role in hydrating the body as well. And they are great carriers of enzymes and minerals and electrolytes into the cells. They are just very, very, very efficient with carrying these enzymes, minerals, and electrolytes into the cells at an efficient manner, which means you get hydrated and rehydrated much, much more quickly than you did before. So this powerful complex brings your water back to a nutrient profile greater than it was, or greater than freshly harvested mountain or glacier spring water. So some of the benefits that you get from this product is increased ATP output or muscular endurance. It almost has an anti-fatigue factor to it. So it's great to use it before, during, and after training. It's also going to increase the absorption and effect of all supplements and vitamins and minerals that you take. Let me repeat that one more time. It's going to increase the absorption and the effect of all supplements and vitamins and minerals that you take throughout the day. So all the minerals you consume in your food, the protein you consume throughout the day, you're going to get better absorption with that. Any of the other supplements you take from our company, you're going to get better absorption and effects from those as well. So truly amazing, and it holds its value in itself by making our supplements much more effective and much more noticeable in their impact in the body. It also can speed up your bodily functions up to 1,000,000 times, so it can really cause the effects of supplements and proteins to be really magnetized and delivered into your body at a very, very highly efficient manner. It also allows the cells around the walls around the cells to become more permeable. It breaks down salts that have allowed may cause the cell to not be as permeable as it was before. So this will open up the cells, make them more active, clean out the cells, get out all the toxic byproducts, the salts that are maybe blocking the cells from absorbing things, or the removing any of the toxic lead byproducts, pollutants, fertilizers, contaminants out of the cells to make them more functional, again energizing the cells to again make them more active. It can also increase the bioavailability of sex hormones because it prevents them from oxidizing in the body. And again, it can really actually help to revive cells. In some studies, it's been actually shown that the constituents in this product, when introduced to a dead cell, can actually cause it to come back to life. And once these constituents from the cell are removed, the cell dies. And then when you put the constituents of this back into the cell comes back to life. And this was done in clinical settings, and it was actually called a miracle of life. And it showed that these constituents in this product can actually revive dead cells and bring them back to life. This product will also increase your circulating oxygen levels and hydrogen levels. You need oxygen for every bodily function. You need hydrogen to stay hydrated. You need oxygen for muscular endurance to feed your muscles. So great for increasing your endurance during training, helping you recover after training, helping you stay hydrated and preventing you from going dehydrated while you're training as well. This product can also contribute to production of DNA and RNA in your body, and is a great product. It does not adjust the flavor of your water whatsoever. Basically what you would do is you'd shake this, and you would add 2/3 of a dropper to a gallon of water. This would go into a gallon of water here. But for the sake of an example here, we're going to drop 2-3 drops into this 8-ounce glass of water, kind of simulating what it would be like. It's a little bit more than what you would actually, by volume, what would be in a gallon. You stir this, and you can see that it adjusts the color of your water slightly, but it does not adjust the flavor of your water whatsoever. And this is basically bringing your water back to the integrity of it was when it was glacier-fed spring mountain water. Appreciate you listening, and look forward to having you guys try the HydroCell water enhancement product.